My wonderful family, do you know the latest on board now? Friday, Igboho finally regains freedom. And after Friday, Igboho regained freedom, that is when it dawned on the Kenya government that, shoot, they have done the greatest mistake of their life. That I wish they knew. They would have just allowed Nnamdi Kanu to go home in peace. Hey, and I am saying, shoo, how come you guys just realize that you've done wrong? You've made a great mistake just in a twinkle of an eye, just overnight you realize this. Anyway, it is good as they've realized that they would have allowed Nnamdi Kanu to go. And again, the UK government as well sent message to Nigeria government to learn from what happened in Cotonou with Sunday Igboho. Hey, I am like, for real? So, Nnamdi Kanu being in Nigeria, being in the custody is an evidence that the time has come. You can only stop the idea, but you can never stop the ideologist. Yes, you arrest Nnamdi Kanu today, still, the hit these people they are getting is unbelievable. They don't even expect it. They don't even believe that one day this type of thing will happen. And now UK finally wake up from their slumber. In fact, I really appreciate everyone that in one way or the other come out to protest, because UK government, they were like, they are not going to do anything because when they arrest Nnamdi Kanu, that is all. Biafra will just go, nobody will talk about it. But I trust my people. They gave it to the UK government back to back. Kenya government back to back. Kenya government now, they are not calling Nigeria, please, let's do this thing with care. So what they are planning to do now is to return Nnamdi Kanu back to Kenya. Yes, because the world has seen that what the Kenyan government did is a crime. What the Nigerian government has just done, they are swimming in the pot of crime. Even the British government as well, for them not to keep quiet, not to protect their own, they are also committing, they are receiving from it. It's part of the bargain. They are shopping from it. They are sharing from it. But now everybody is trying to remove their hands from Nnamdi Kanu's case. Kenya are calling Nigeria government that they have to do something. They just have to do something, because if they did not, you know what it takes. You know that you cannot just arrest somebody like that. If they want to judge Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria, first, Nigeria government must tell the court, that is, must tell the whole world where, how they captured Nnamdi Kanu, how they kidnapped him. Yes, the Nigeria government must spare that out. And they don't really want the drama. They don't want, in fact, they don't want the drama. That is why you see they refuse to bring him to court. That's why they are doing all these things they are doing. But everything is coming out now when Sunday Igboho regained freedom. Yes, Cotonou were so afraid. Cotonou were so scared and say they have to learn from Kenya. That is the way it should be. Cotonou learned something from Kenya. Say no, what this Biafra did to in Kenya embassy, what they did in UK, they don't even want to be part of it. And believe me, I wish Kenya made the same mistake, Cotonou made the same mistake that Kenya did, out of greed. Believe me, by now, everywhere would have turned upside down. And Cotonou, they don't even have that strength. They don't even want it. And believe me, the Biafra never relents. They never stop doing what they can do to make sure their leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is out of the DSS. They never stop it. Cotonou government were so afraid that if the Biafra join Oduduwa, or Oduduwa join Biafra for this thing, that means it's finished. Like what they did in Kenya embassy and all over the country. That is why now the Kenya government are so afraid, because What they did is crime, criminalism, and every other thing add to it. And people are not finding it they are not finding it tough at all. They are not finding it interesting. They are not finding it in a simple tone. Now everybody is running away. Everybody is running away. Honestly, if you hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, yes, you can hate his personality, but you just got to love him for this one moment. You just got to love him because he has placed himself as the front runner. You just got to love him because there is nobody else that can do it more better than him. He is a true leader and he proved it. A lot of states has been coming out to say we are not Biafra, we are not Biafra. But believe me, if Biafra come today, they will be the first people that will rejoice. If Nigeria government would have been doing the needful, will this type of thing take place? Will you think that some people will march on the street and say they need freedom? Now, Nigeria educational system is meant for only the rich. If you are not rich, if you are poor, there is a particular stage you need to belong. If you are from the rich family, there is a particular stage you need to belong. Who takes that? At the end of the day, they see the way they are corrupt. What they do, they flew all their children out of the country. For masters, for BC, for this, for that, out of the country. Even when they organize marriage and they want to get refreshment, where do they normally go? Dubai. Why can't you make your country like Dubai? Yes, they go for Dubai for refreshments. They go for Dubai to do all those things they want to do. Why are they not doing it in Nigeria? If really Nigeria is good. And somebody will say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu fighting for your rights. You don't want to appreciate him. Hey, this dance, all the drum, all the song that the Kenyan government have sang has hooked them here. They don't even know how to, they don't know they don't know the key part now to even play. As far as that song is concerned, they cannot differentiate alto from tenor or soprano. As far as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is involved, the dot circle is so great, and I appreciate the dot circle, and I am so glad, proud, ready as one among the dot circle. What is your priority? Do you believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be out of that place? True, he will be out. Not only he will just be out, he will be out in a mega and a bigger way. Because what goes around comes around. And at the end of the day, a lot of people will be so happy to say, thank God, Mazi Nnamdi, the Kenyan government. In fact, don't even regret it, because if Judas Iscariot did not betray Jesus, we would have not been where we are today. At times, everything worked together for the benefit of those who loved, who are in Christ, and for those that God is fighting for. And we will someday sit down and so relax and say, thank God this happened. It should be the song, and it should be the power of the testimony. Thank God this happened. That is just the joy in it. There is nothing more or lesser than that. Thank God this happened. It's so real. And it is so true. And it is so encouraging that this happened. That is the grace. That is the grace. What are your fears? Kenya government has just quickened the referendum. And Nigeria government helped the dream of Biafra to come true. And now the UK government is now calling on Nigeria government. They want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. What are we not saying? We are still saying the same thing. Freedom. So my wonderful family, there is power in freedom. There is power in getting whatever you want in this life. At times we regret some certain things because we don't really know what that mistake will cost you. God will turn the mistake into a message. That is what he has done. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was humiliated, dehumanized, tortured, beaten, stripped naked for how many days in Kenya? All those things, they are all mess. But believe me, today, the song has changed. God has turned his mess to a message. And today, people like me can still come out to speak and say we need freedom. Somebody has paid the price for you. So, we just have to believe it or we leave it. In fact, in this life you are seeing, I'm just looking at the Southeast leaders that don't want to say anything. They don't want to be involved. They don't want to express themselves. They don't want to support their own. But believe me, assist your enemy. Rescue your enemy in the time of difficulties, because tomorrow he can fight for you. You see what the Oduduwa did? In one way or the other, they were pressing buttons. Their obas came out, their elders came out. But the struggle is as well different. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a threat to them, of which they know. So I believe that since the UK government has given their last order, and the Kenya government is trying to tell Nigerian government they don't want to be part of this mess, it has turned the mess of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu into a message for each and every one of us. So I choose to leave you here, my wonderful family. Let's hold on to what we believe. And if you know you are just seeing this face for the first time, I still remain Agatha Progress here on YouTube, and I bring it to you any day, anytime. Because with this, we got more confidence. And if you know you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.